Tire rods are on this model actually easy to do. All we need to do is to remove these clips here, unbolt this here, and this should fall down. Sometimes they stuck, you need special tool, but I know this one should go easy because I've been working on this on my previous video, and I had to release it at that moment, but it should be fine. Socket 14. This should not be that easy. It's time anyway. We need two wrenches, one here, one there, and we need to turn it from each other to get it loose. So I found wrench number 24 and this one here, which you can adjust for your tie rod. It says here L, it's for left. This one is also left. Now let's just put it back on. So as you can see, I haven't moved this nut here. This is my indicator, so I know how far should I go with this tie rod. Something like that. You don't need to over tighten this because after this work I will have to go to the local workshop, so they will align my wheels. They will not be the same anymore, and after this whole suspension work it has to be done anyway.